Good morning, comrades. Today I wanted to show you the beauty of TF, go around the car park, show you all the amazing features of TF, and most importantly drive the track. Now the first part, I got caught up in the daily routine, so it's like almost already the end of the day. So there is only going to be the driving part, but all of a sudden I got a nice visit from Melly.
Hi!
How are you doing?
I'm amazing! I can't wait, I'm so excited. This is gonna be my very first lap on the Nürburgring. I'm so hyped.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, we know each other for slightly over a year now, and yeah, we've seen each other probably twice, and for the rest we're always like traveling the world and this and that. So it's very cool to suddenly, hey, I'm here. I'm like, oh, well, you want to go for a lap? Because I'm going for a lap. Yeah, why not, huh? So we're gonna do that and just have some fun. An easy Sunday lap, because it's, after all, TF. We're just gonna go enjoy and not do anything crazy and stupid.
No.
Nope. Probably the last ones on the track. One of the last ones. Yes, so 7, this means 6:45 is the last entry on the track. Approximately the same horsepower. Yeah. He's probably a bit lighter.
Yeah.
He has to work a bit harder because he doesn't have all the electronics that we have.
Yeah.
we interrupt this lap because you probably want to find out more about the car that we are following, which appears to be an E36 325, so 192 horsepower, nice gearbox, nice shifter, I would say. But for the rest, pretty much stock. And Dankang tires. And for the rest, it's all up to the driver. Very good job. Enjoy the rest of the lap. Well, last time I was following a white E36 in bright shade, that didn't go that well, so now I survived. That was the crash that happened. The carousel, yeah, it's amazing. Third one.
Holding on to his steering wheel.
Oh, my phone fell out of my pocket.
My shades are gone as well.
So on the back of his car says 325, but I think it might be like a M3 or something. It was a nice lap, huh? And the track is closed.
It was a good day, wasn't it?
It was a good way to finish the day.
Yes, but it is hard work.
Yeah, well, not on a Sunday evening. You're not allowed to work on Sunday in Germany.
That's true.
Well, I hope you enjoyed your first lap on the Nürburgring.
Absolutely.
And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Yeah. I'll need to wait with that for a couple of hours till I get rid of that. But no, it was awesome. It was very cool, very nice way to finish the day. Sorry that there was no car spotting today, but all my vlogs are car spotting, so there'll be some tomorrow for sure as well. So thanks for tuning in, and if you like gaming, give her a follow, by the way, on Instagram. And if you like track driving, then you're probably already following me. And if not, then just come to the Nürburgring, the world's most amazing racetrack in the world.